Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Pets. No, this is not Pet Simulator, then Beast One Simulator. So I think this is my first episode of this one, or third. I don't know. But this is my hive, guys. So this is my hive. It's like a level 7 because there's more level 7 than 6. I think this is a level 7 hive. I don't know. Oh, and also this is like a shy bee. This is a gifted shy bee. Rage bee. That's me when I lost like a lot of times in Penguin Survival. Bed Wars. I hate Penguin Survival. Why is there? I'm literally traumatized. What do I need to do again? Oh my god. Okay, first of all I need 61,000 mushroom from mushroom field because this is red pollen and I could really use red extract right now. Up. It's the sound of what the rage bee the rage bee. Yeah, the rage bee gives out the rage, and when you like get near like something, they're like and it basically helps you kill stuff way faster. I almost said way fatter. Strawberry. I got strawberries in my bag. Eating strawberries. Strawberries. One snowflake. I want strawberries. Because wait, what does the star do? Is it the star mushroom? Wait, what? Does the rock meme? I know you guys can't see it because I don't have a face cam, and yeah, I don't want to do a face reveal yet. But you guys probably see my face like a trillion times. But you guys watched my shorts on that like other video. I think there's another there. There's the stick bug. More like stick mantis bug. Where's my dumb bees? Oh, there you guys are. You just destroyed stuff. For some reason, I feel cringe vibes from that. Pine tree field. Guys, kill the werewolf. What are you guys doing? Oh, what did you just do? Oh, kill him. How much battle forms did I get? Battle points? 25 battle points. So oh yeah, I also have my food there. I also have snow bear, which is white bear. Or what was that again? I know grizzly bear and panda bear, but oh yeah, snow bear or white bear or S bear. I don't know. I forgot his name. And I also forgot the movie's name, but it was a really good movie. I watched this like a lot of time. I forgot my. So I have a ticket planter in Rosefield. If you guys could see it, it's right there. And I also need to collect a present from Rosefield. And also, that was like a lot of buffs. Thank you. I'm the best. Okay. I haven't collected that much yet, but it is really good. Like, you know, I for some reason I like mountaintop field. It's because like Mondo Chick spawns, and when Mondo Chick spawns, you get like a lot of honey. But I got like 800,000 full. Oh, Brown Bear's quest is complete. Nice. I got like a lot of honey from beating them. So yeah, I kind of feel good about myself. Mondo Chick is literally the best boss ever. Especially when he gives like tons of stuff. And I could summon a honey storm. Hehe. Sprout has appeared, so yeah. Oh, there's my other bees, these little slowpokes. Can I reach that area? I'm not sure, but for some reason, Brown Bear's quest is literally so complicated. But it's sometimes hard at the same time. Oh, Sprout. How would a Sprout be inside a stocking? Like a Sprout is a seed. Good job, bud. Here's some royal jelly. You've completed 11 of my quests so far. Completed 4 more, I'll give you 5 field dice. And if you complete 14 more, I'll give you a silver egg. Looks like it's been an hour since I gave you the last quest. Talk to me again when you're ready for the next one. Well, I don't really care. Okay, what is the quest? White Cactus Sun. Okay. So 160 white pollen, 120 from cactus, and 61 from sunflower. So before I do that, let me just summon a honey storm so I can get like tickets. Mama. Oh, that's a lot of honey whatsoever. Oh. I don't know if there's secrets here, but I'm pretty sure there are. I don't really know where the secrets are, so yeah. Because I'm a really noob at this game. But I'm also a pro because my hive is literally like a good hive. But some hives are better than my hive. Definitely not jealous. Oh, and also Fireblade helped me. Oh, and I also forgot that I have the bubble wand. But I don't really know what it does, and I have 69 tickets. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not supposed to do that. I'm supposed to go to here. Wang, 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 wang. I'm really like doing. Oh, what the? I keep getting festive gifts. Wang. Oh. Wang. You guys kill him. Oh, he stopped there. He stopped there. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Okay, I just need to kite him a lot of times. Okay. Okay. He stopped there. I just need to like let him follow me, and then when he stops. Okay, he stopped there. He stopped there. He stopped there. Okay, now go back here. He stopped there. Oh, he literally hit the wall. What a noob. Okay. Oh, hit his shadow. Whatsoever. Kill him! Kill him, you little nerds. I'm literally so happy right now. Oh, I'm literally so happy that I actually got him down to like minus 30 health. That's my first damage. Go. Oh, he just hit the wall. What a nerd. Okay, I'm in his shadow right now. He's going right here. He stopped. Oh my god, I'm actually going to be happy. For once, my bees did something. No. Oh, minus 30. You guys, go. No. Okay, it's coming. He's gonna stop soon. Okay, now go. Wait, okay. Go. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, he's gonna stop. Then my bees just kills him. Commander Bee! You're the commander of all the bees. Why? Oh, hit the wall. What a nerd. 270 health. 270 health. Give me this. Give me this. Oh, and give me that. I didn't get the music. This is my first time killing King Beetle. Oh my god, this is my first time killing King Beetle. That is literally my first time killing King Beetle. Wait, what did I get? 100 treats, 5 royal jellies, 1 red extract, 150 battle points. Huh? What? Yo, I'm too good. Like, I already beated. I beated Commando Chick. I beated Mondo Chick. I beated Werewolf. I beated Spider. I beated the King Beetle. What else can I beat? Oh yeah, the coconut crab. I know the coconut crab because someone introduced the coconut crab to me. But the coconut crab I'm kind of scared of because he has like a lot of health. He has like a lot of health. The coconut crab literally has a lot of health. So, honeysuckle. Automatically makes your bees convert. I have 236 honeysuckle. Loaded dice. Red extract. Glitter. Oh yeah, glitter. Boost the field you're standing in, granting 100% bowling for 15 minutes. I could use that. Grants one. Hard wax. What is hard wax? A firm hunk of these. 41 royal jellies. Oh my god! And also I can go right there because How long have I been recording for? 12 minutes. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. So, if you guys want more Bee Swarm Simulator 10 videos, leave a like down below, and I'm gonna be seeing you in the next video. Peace.